Hey ladies and gents, and welcome back. Today, we are continuing on with our designer shoe series, and are they worth it?
Today we have a pair of Prada Loafers. I'm not expecting much, but let's get these things resold and I'll tell you what I think at the end. All right, so these are a cement constructed shoe. We're gonna heat these things up and see if the whole sole and heel can come off in one swoop. Let's go.
Do not pass go. Do not collect $200.
So I took it out, went to grab hold and pull, and it just started coming off on its own. Didn't even need to do anything. I could probably do this with my hands. Let's see. Well, you're always gonna have nails, but let's see. This is a question that we get all the time, so this is for the newcomers. How do the nails go through without poking you in the foot? All right, the nails that we use are called clench nails, and there's a little straight end, and it's a lot thinner than the others. It's basically almost like a tack. And as it goes through the shoe, all the way through, it will go through the shoe and strike this, and this will clench over. It'll create a little barb and grabs onto the shoe, so that way it won't just slip right back out. But that is how these nails work.
Okay guys, while we wait for the glue to dry on these, let me take a quick second to tell you about a new product that we have not spoken about yet, and it is by today's video sponsor, which is Ekster. Now guys, you've heard us talk about Ekster in the past. They are known as inventing the first trackable wallet, and now they're on a mission to help you out with many of your other carry essentials. Now, the Finder card is just one of their newest that you must have. Now guys, track your wallet or your luggage with a tracker card that is slim, rechargeable, and loud. The Finder card is an ultra slim tracking device that will make your belongings impossible to lose. It's the size of a credit card, and this slim device fits in any gear you want to track. You can also add your Finder card to your Find My app on your iPhone or Apple device. If you've misplaced your item, you simply ring your Finder card from up to 300 feet away. It also has an out-of-range trackability feature that sends you a notification once you leave your item behind. Now, one of the amazing things is that every charge lasts up to 6 months and has a magnetic charging cable that is included with every card. It's also water resistant and extremely durable. And the great thing is, it's not just for you. You can share your tracking device and its position with your family and friends for added security. Now, ladies and gents, you can save up to 45% off. Simply go to the link down below and use the code Trenton and Heath.
It's been a long day, I'm getting tired, but we're almost done. We're gonna stick these top lifts and then just finish up the edges, get them cleaned up, and they'll be done. All right, so this little gap here was this little metal Prada logo thingamajigger, and we want to keep it original, so we're going to try to put this back in here, and I think it'll look good.
All right, it's been a long day, and last thing we're gonna do, guys, we're just gonna get these polished up, get a little polish on the bottoms here, and just make them look a lot better. This does have like a shiny, plasticky feel to it, and some of that is chipped off up here, but we're gonna put some polish, make them look as good as they can, then we will be done. So let's get this knocked out. Okay, this video is almost done, and we are going to show you what the final product looks like here in just a moment. But guys, like always, make sure you're checking us out at our two businesses, potterandsons.com for all of your shoe care needs, and also southernpolish.com for our flip-flops, our lady sandals, and by the way, this little t-shirt I'm wearing here, it's a little Southern Polish charter boat. See on the back, got a little notes, charter boat on there. All of our tees are $10 right now. So while they last, go to southernpolish.com and grab yourself a tee, $10.
And when those are gone, we'll have more coming in.
Yep. So this is the end of these. Okay. What did we do to this pair of Prada loafers, and what's our takeaway?
Okay, you could probably guess this. I was not impressed. We put these things in the oven and the sole literally just fell off. They were just cement constructed. But we wanted to put it back the way it was aesthetically. So that's why we put that curve on the sole protector. We did a blind stitch through the waist, and then it doesn't really matter underneath the sole protector.
Stitched them on, which they obviously were not. So you're paying all of that money for just a glued on shoe.
They did have stacked heels.
They did have.
I give them that.
There you go. The leather stacked heels.
But yeah, we put them back the way they were, but better.
Yeah. And guys, the insoles, I'm not sure if we showed you that, but the insoles of these, it looked like the front portion may have been a thin piece of leather. Mm-hmm. And then the back portion of the insole was again like paperboard.
And you see that a lot on designer shoes.
Yeah. So really, guys, again, it's a fail because you're paying a lot of money for another designer name and you're not getting the quality to back that up. It's an absolute fail. But anyways, again, these shoes did not belong to anybody. I just want to make that clear as well. We didn't mention that.
We're not gonna hurt any feelings.
Yeah, someone sent these into us. They donated them. They were nice enough to donate them to us. We just figured, hey, let's do a video. Let's make them nice again, and we'll probably donate them to somebody, some cause out there. So yeah, kind of excited. All right. That just about does it. Thanks again for joining us. And guys, as always, if you would, please give us a big thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, y'all have a good one.